ICC rejects Mr. Rodrigo Duterte's plea for temporary release. Good day. We begin today's broadcast with a major development from The Hague, where the International Criminal Court has issued a decisive ruling involving former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte. The ICC has denied Mr. Duterte's request for temporary release from detention, a move that keeps the 80-year-old former leader in custody as he awaits trial for alleged crimes against humanity linked to his administration's deadly campaign against illegal drugs. Court says conditions for release were insufficient. Presiding Judge Luz del Carmen Ibanez Carranza delivered the ruling following a hearing earlier today. According to the court, the defense failed to propose safeguards strong enough to justify allowing Mr. Duterte to leave detention, even under restricted conditions. In the judge's words, the conditions for release proposed were not sufficient to mitigate the risks identified in relation to Mr. Duterte's interim release. Mr. Duterte's legal team had argued that his age and declining health warranted a humanitarian parole. But the chamber ruled that these circumstances did not outweigh concerns regarding the risks associated with freeing him before trial. Background of the case. The former president has been held since March 11, 2025, after his arrest in Manila and subsequent transfer to the ICC detention facility in Scheveningen. During his initial appearance before the chamber, conducted via video link, he appeared frail and spoke very little. The charges stem from the anti-drug campaign he pursued during and even before his presidency. Human rights organizations claim that thousands of people, many of them from poor communities, were killed during the operations. According to ICC prosecutors, the accusations against Mr. Duterte involve 19 alleged murders between 2013 and 2016, during his tenure as mayor of Davao City, 14 killings of supposed high-level drug suspects in 2016 and 2017, after he assumed the presidency, 43 deaths of alleged low-level drug users and dealers. A separate decision is still pending on whether Mr. Duterte is medically fit to stand trial. The court has already dismissed earlier defense arguments claiming that the ICC has no jurisdiction over these cases. Reaction in the Philippines. In Manila, the administration of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. said it respects the ICC's ruling. For many families of drug war victims and rights groups, however, the decision was met with visible relief. Supporters gathered at a university campus in Manila to watch the proceedings live, breaking into applause when the denial of the release request was announced. This remains a developing story, and we will continue to follow updates from The Hague as the case proceeds. Thank you for listening. Until our next episode. This is AR-WorldNews.com bringing you news updates from around the world. Take care and be safe.